Hi Cyber Sisters, it's my town, 10:30 p.m. You can hear. Whole evening you hear those big bangs and all the fireworks. I will show you what will happen on 12 o'clock also. But when I sit on the couch, I see this whole evening, every single minute, and I want to share it with you all. I know it's already New Year at your place, so Happy New Year! Oh, now it's quiet. See you after 12 o'clock.